Welcome back, everybody, to Bear's Rod Shop, BRS, and the Klopp 450 sits here on the floor. Was shooting video of unloading it, which took 8 hours yesterday, and I decided it was way too long because not real good with video and fast forwarding. But you can kind of see the predicament we're in. We used our wonderful neighbor's trailer, which had a wood floor. No, it didn't slide easy. We backed in there on the big old huge ramp, which is now in the air, to get the cherry picker in. And it took 8 hours to get this thing because the crate decided to give up in the bottom and start pinching all the rollers. Ended up with a quick bolt 3/4 in the floor here, which is no problem. I may leave it for a while. After I trip over it 2 or 3 times, get it out of here. Let's take a little walk around. And the shop, yes, is a total mess because I had to move everything over. We'll get back to the welding table here shortly and finish it up. I'm going to paint that boom that I didn't want to permanently put on my table, so bolted down, and it's going to be great to get chucks off and everything. But we've got safeties tied off here. This big old English wheel and the drill tree and the peck stoves there, and it's quick bolted to the floor. She was trying to tip over when the crate started breaking. Wouldn't have been a pretty picture. Oh yeah, it's actually got a feed down cable on this one. Nice. All right, we're tied off here just in case. Always safety first. Fixing to pull off the table. And granted, I think that table's probably 500 pounds. I don't want it to get light and tip over. So this is going to be a real short part 3 of the Klopp 450. And you know, I still haven't found a badge, but it's showing 450 on the stroke when we measured it, with it all the way out and on the other side. But flywheel key coming off, and all the parts and pieces, and start the tear down. Bear's Rod Shop. We're out here. Thanks to all my subscribers and viewers. And please hit the notification bell. And we'll continue to make the best videos we can for this mom and pop shop in Texas. Bear's Rod Shop and Sammy. We're out.